In the nucleus cytoplasm, we will see that they are present in the form of small messenger RNA molecule, that is the pre-messenger RNA, having only the exons which are interconnected to each other after the removal of the introns, and they are called as the splicing genes. So when they come out of the nucleus through the nuclear pore, then they will get extended in size, that is the pre-messenger RNA will get extended in size, and they will get elongated with additional number of genes with the elongation of the messenger RNA, and now this pre-messenger RNA is called as the mature messenger RNA, where you will see that one of the end is 5' and the other end is 3', and it will get attached along with the ribosomes, that is the small and large subunit, along with the ribosomes will get attached on the mature messenger RNA along with the polypeptide chain to carry out the process of translation. So thus, though a single activator can recognize several genes, different activators may activate the same gene at different times. This gene is located just near the receptor gene. This gene controls the transcription of messenger RNA from DNA, and also synthesis of specific proteins takes place. So the producer gene starts transcription after receiving signal from the receptor gene. So the just now in the figure we have seen the S gene, that is the sensor gene, followed by the integrator gene, that is the I gene, followed by the receptor gene, that is the R gene, and the producer gene. So the producer gene will start the transcription after receiving the signal from the receptor gene. Then the receptor site or the gene, it is comparable to the operator in bacterial operon. At least one such receptor gene or site is assumed to be present adjacent to the producer gene in the eukaryotes. It provides a link between integrator gene and producer gene. Just now in the figure we have seen that the receptor gene, it acts as a media, or it is connected along with the producer gene and the integrator gene. So it is a receptor gene is a gene in between the integrator gene and the producer gene, connecting with the producer gene. The activator RNA binds with the receptor gene. The receptor gene activates the producer gene as soon as it receives the signal from the integrator gene through activator RNA. A specific receptor site is activated when a specific activator RNA or an activator protein, a product of integrator gene, binds with it. It is also proposed that receptor sites and integrator genes may be repeated a number of times so as to control the activity of a large number of genes in the same cell. Repetition of receptor ensures that the same activator recognizes all of them, and in this way several enzymes of one metabolic pathway are simultaneously synthesized. Then next is the integrator gene. Integrator gene is comparable to regulator gene and is responsible for the synthesis of an activator RNA molecule that may not give rise to proteins before it activates the receptor site. So at least one integrator gene is present adjacent to each sensor site or sensor gene. It is located very near to the sensor genes. The main function of integrator gene is to start the transcription after receiving signal from the sensor gene, and through the receptor gene it will promote its message to the producer gene. So the RNA which is transcribed by the integrator gene is known as the activator RNA. This activator RNA is a link between integrator and the receptor genes. Now Britton and Davidson proposed that the integrator gene products are activator RNAs that interact directly with the receptor genes to trigger the transcription of the continuous producer genes. Transcription of the same gene may be needed in different developmental stages. This is achieved by the multiplicity of receptor sites and integrator genes. Then last is the sensor gene or the sensor site. These are signal receiving genes. These genes are very sensitive for specific signals from the cell and its environment. Sensor genes are activated by various cellular substances like enzymes, hormones, vitamins, and metabolites. Whenever these genes receive signals, they pass on the message to the adjacent gene. So the sensor genes, whenever they receive the signal, they will pass on their message to the adjacent gene, that is the integrator gene, for the initiation or for the starting of the transcription process. A sensor site regulates or it controls the activity of an integrator gene which can be transcribed only when the sensor site is activated. The sensor sites are also regulatory sequences that are recognized by external stimuli like the hormones, metal ions, or temperature, enzymes, and so on. So according to the Britton-Davidson model, specific sensor genes represent sequence specific binding sites similar to CAMP binding site in the that is similar to the CAP binded with the CAMP cyclic adenosine monophosphate binding site in the E. coli that respond to a specific signal. When sensor genes receive the appropriate signals, they activate the transcription of the adjacent integrator genes. The integrator gene products will then interact in a sequence specific manner with receptor genes. Now, a set of structural genes controlled by one sensor gene is termed as a battery. So, a set of structural genes, that is number of the exons, when they are controlled by one sensor gene, then it is known as the battery. Sensor site is known as the sensor gene is known as the battery. Sometimes when major changes are needed, it is necessary to activate several sets of genes. If one sensor site is associated with several integrators, it may cause transcription of all integrators simultaneously, thus causing transcription of several producer genes through receptor sites. The repetition of integrator genes and receptor sites is consistent with the reports that state that sufficient repeated DNA occurs in the eukaryotic cells. The most attractive features of the Britton and Davidson model is that it provides a plausible reason for the observed pattern of interpretation of moderately repetitive DNA sequences and single copy of DNA sequences. Direct evidence indicates that most structural genes are indeed single copy DNA sequences. The adjacent moderately repetitive DNA sequences would contain the various kinds of regulator genes like the sensor genes, integrator genes, and the receptor genes respectively. Then further, this is the figure which shows the comparison of gene regulation model in the prokaryotes and eukaryotes. So gene regulation model, which was developed by, in case of the prokaryotes, by Jacob and Monod, and in the eukaryotes it was developed by Britton and Davidson. The model is known as operand model in prokaryotes, and in case of the eukaryotes it is known as the battery model. The genes which are involved, they are in the prokaryotes, they are the structural genes, promoter genes, operator genes, and the regulator genes, whereas in the eukaryotes they are the sensor genes, integrator genes, receptor genes, and the producer genes. Then the enzymes which are involved in in the prokaryote, they are the beta galactosidase, permease, and transacetylase and RNA polymerase. Whereas in the eukaryotes, the enzymes which are involved are the messenger RNA polymerase. Then the gene regulation in case of the prokaryotes, it is very simple, whereas it is very complex in the case of the eukaryotes. Perception of mechanism, it is better understood in the prokaryotes, whereas it is very little or lesser understood in the eukaryotes. Basis of model, in the prokaryote they are based on the empirical results, whereas in the eukaryotes it is a theoretical model without proof. Then the mRNA, messenger RNA, in case of the prokaryotes it is in the form of an unstable polycistronic molecule, whereas in the eukaryotes it is the stable and monocistronic. Then the matching genes in the prokaryotes are the structural genes, operator genes, promoter genes, and the regulator genes, whereas in the eukaryotes it is the producer gene, receptor gene, sensor genes, and the integrator genes. Then the popularity, in the prokaryotes they are widely accepted, and in the eukaryotes also they are widely accepted. Then the merits and demerits of Britton and Davidson model. The merits are that this model is widely accepted for gene regulation in only the eukaryotes, and the second is that the messenger RNA is stable in eukaryotes, which is unstable in prokaryotes. So the messenger RNA is stable in the eukaryotes and it is unstable in the prokaryotes. So these are the two merits of the Britton and Davidson model. Then the next are the demerits. This is only a theoretical model and lacks the sound practical proof. The mechanism of this model is more complex than the operand model of the gene regulation in prokaryotes. This model is lesser understood than operand model of gene regulation in the prokaryotes. And lastly, the mechanism of gene regulation in eukaryotes. According to Britton and Davidson model, first the sensor gene, it will receive the signal from the cell. Then integrator gene becomes active and transcribe the message with the help of the activator messenger RNA molecule. This activator RNA molecule gets connected with the receptor gene, that is the R gene. Then the receptor gene activates the producer gene, which initiates the transcription of messenger RNA and protein synthesis begins. So in this model, the sensor and integrator genes, they lie together, whereas the receptor and producer genes, they make another group. So here in this figure you can see a simple method of Britton-Davidson model of gene regulation in eukaryotes. Here you will see the sensor gene, it is grouped or always lying adjacent to the integrator gene. The sensor genes, they will provide the signal to the integrator gene. The integrator gene will get transcribed with the activator messenger RNA molecule, and it will activate the carry the information to the receptor gene, which will be then passed on from the receptor gene to the producer gene, and the transcription of messenger RNA will take place in the protein synthesis. So this is the structure of eukaryotic gene.